Just as I love them, I go crazy.
Oh my God! Look at that. Henna loves apples. Oh my! Is she eating
She
on
says
her
we've
own
been
now?
sharing them yesterday and today. Yeah, she eats a little bit on her own.
Good
But she loves
girl,
these.
Henna. Well, if I'd known that, I would have brought apples.
Give them to her. Isn't she cute?
Oh my God, Dr. Murray. Hi, Henna. Hi, Henna. You're gonna be good as new, Mama. You're gonna be good as new. Yes, you are. Look at that face. Look at that little face. Peekaboo. I can see you, Henna. Where's my apple, Dr. Murray? Where's my apples? Come on, Dr. Murray, give it up. Come on. Is that good? Okay, guys, Henna loves apples. That's a good sign that she's eating. You feeling better, Mama? Yeah? Yeah? Look at those teeth. Are you cold? Here. Here's a blinky. Okay. Okay. There you go, Mama. Here you go. You like apples? Yeah. You do. You're going to be good as new, Mommy. We need a foster for her. We need to get her out of here and not in a cage when she's ready. We're going to get you a foster. We're going to reach out and see if somebody will be willing to give you a nice little home. Yeah. We have some great people out there, Henna. There's some good people in the world. Yes, there is. Yeah, Mommy. Don't shake. It's okay.